So this is the video for our week 1, day 3 review. And we're still talking about place value and our multiplicative comparison and how our numbers form together. So number 1 says, which of these numbers is the greatest? So if I look, I want to start at the biggest place. So I'm going to go down the thousands place. I've got a 5,000, 8,000, 5,000, 4,000. 8,000 is the biggest of those, so that number overall would be the greatest. Number 2 says which number sentence below is true. The first one is 836 is greater than 874. Well, the 8s are the same. This has a 3 in the tens place, this has a 7 in the tens place. The 7 is bigger, so that one is not true. The next one says 129 is less than 130. They both have ones in the hundreds place. This has a 2 in the tens, this has a 3 in the tens. So 130 is bigger. Let's just double check the other ones. 1,370 is equal to 1,307. They both have a 1 in the thousands. They both have a 3 in the hundreds. This one has a 7 in the tens, this one has a 0 in the tens, so they are not equal. And then my last one, 742 is less than 741. They both have the 7, they both have the 4, but this one's a 2, that one's a 1, so that one does not work. So my answer is B. Number 3. Which expression represents the number 4,362 written in expanded form? I think it's easier to take the word form and put it in our number form. So I'm going to do that first and then I'm going to expand it. So 4,362. And now I need to see which one that matches. Well, that's 4,000, that's 4,000. That one says 400, so that's not it. And that one says 40,000, so that's not it. They both have 300s. This one has 60 and 2, and this one has 62. In expanded form, I want every place to have its own representation. So this one combines the ones place and the tens place. So that's not truly expanded form. So my answer is A. Okay, number 4. Duncan is given this number, 400,000 plus 60,000 plus 700 plus 10 plus 3. Which number below is Duncan's number? Well, I have a 400,000. Yes, yes, nope, and yes. Then a 60,000, so 60,000, 60,000, 60,000. And then I don't see any thousands, because that's a 700. So this one is not going to be it. And then a 10. That one does not have a 10. So my answer must be D. And the 3. Number 5. 5 schools counted their library books and the number of books are shown below. Which school had more books than East Lane? Well, here's East Lane at 971,000. Well, they all have the 9 there. That one's a 5, so that's not greater than. That's a 7, that's a 6, that's not greater than, and that's a 7, okay? So then my next place, my thousands place, 1, 5 is more than 1, 0 is not. So that's the number that's bigger, so it must be B for south side. And I like when the numbers are all stacked because we can just go straight down the columns to see their sizes. And number 6, which number is 14,006? So this is 14,060. It's close, but not quite. This is 1,000. That doesn't work. This is 14,006. And let's double check 40,000. That's not the same as 14. So the answer must be C. Okay, so that's our week 1, day 3 review. where we can see it's very important to pay close attention to that place value.